ball game. Third quarter tayo. Drop pass, basket. Namang na ang Vivo. Patrick Abe. Number 7, spin. Basket. Albert. Bombares, spin. Pop and pop. Oh, what a nice move by Bombares. 31 at 29. Oh, steal. Bombares, binigay. What a pass. Oh, that's a trouble. Sayang, mantika na, idol. So good, rebound by number 12. 2 against 1. Oh, nice move by Albert. Tabla tayo sa 31. Abe, drive and score! Basket count and 1 by Patrick Abe. For a 3-point play. Wala. Rebound by Albert. Pass to Bombares. Stop and pop. Short. Oh, good. Alimante. Panibak, miss. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng DGI. Whoa, what a pass. Block by number 7. Half step. Whoa, that's a trouble. Number 20, miss. Rebound by number 3. Oh, that's a trouble. Kitang-kita yun na ating referee. 33 at 31. Wala pa rin dito ng Vivo. Number 7, spin to number 24. Basket is good. 35-31. Another stick by Patrick Abe. Drive. Basket is good. Ayan na. Anim na kalamangan ng Vivo. Timeout rito ang DGI. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Diyan natin muna huddle dito ng Vivo. Or ng DGI rather. 37-31. Back to the ball game. With a score of 37-31. 6-point lead para sa Vivo. Katanyag setting on the play. Number 18. Running shot, too strong. Rebound ng Vivo. Out that pass, steal. Napakabilis naman ng DGI doon. Ay na, Bombares. Katanyag. Drive. Uy, wala. Good hustle. Katanyag. Number 15, yes sir. 39-31. Setting on the screen, Katanyag to number 3. Drive, no good. Rebound ng Vivo. Number 7, out that pass. Fake. Patrick Abe spin. Uy. Hook shot, basket. 10-point lead para sa Vivo. Running shot, no good. Reverse layup, miss. Drop pass, numbers 18. Oy, nice move. Walo. Tambay 8. Umahabol ang DGI, 33-41. Abe, pull up, no good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to Bombares. Fake. Oh, that's a travel. Seal ang DGI. Bombares. Uy. May lamok, brother. But there's a foul. That's a third personal foul. Bombares. Katanyag. So good. Ayan na naman ang out and pass. Steal di Blandi. Pass to Bombares. Bombares to Blandi. Top of the key for 3. Yes! Para sa Teresa. By Blandi. 36-41. Libre rito. Using the glass. At may sagot ang Vivo. Another steal for Vivo. Pass. Abe fake. Abe spin. Drive and score. Uy, double dribble. Pass to Abe. Abe drive. Oh, that's at the Raven. Technical for Patrick Abe for a sportsman-like foul. Bonus shot for DGI. Bombar. And shoutout po sa ating mga official referee or official staff. First shot, wala kay Bombares. DGI basketball. Uy, hindi ka na magawan. Katanyag. Pass number 18. Uy. Offensive foul. Kitang-kita ang siko doon, brother. Bawal yon sa ating mga official. Last 24 seconds remaining. Abe. Pass number 7. Pass to Abe. Pinas sa corner. Drop pass. Bad pass. Last 10 seconds. 10, 7, 6, 5. Bloody for 3. Wala pa. Isa pa. Oy! Oh! And that's a buzzer beater for DGI. Ayan na, end of the third period of 45-38 in favor of the Vivo. Ayan, umabol na ang DGI. Tingnan natin kung makakabol dito ang DGI sa ating fourth quarter. Good luck, boys. Ayan, muli, maraming pong salamat kala Mrs. Ivy Yang and Sir Jasper Yang. Happy viewing po sa inyong panonood at all our viewers na nanonood sa ating live. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Alright, back to the ball game. Sino kaya ang magwawagi? Abe on the sir. With the ball. Pull up. Bam! Katanyag. Pass number 3. Pula. Wala pa rin Rebound ng Vivo. As Raymond. Oy! That's trouble. It's a traveling violation for Vivo. Bobares. Katanyag. Looking for his teammate. Katanyag, running shot, miss. Out of bounds. Last touch, bola rito na makukuha ng DG. Oh, sorry, that's Vivo.
Patrick Abe, hindi nababa ang bola. Nag-set ng play. Patrick Abe.
Halandoni, pull up, no good. Paso Halandoni, Katanyag, running shot. Uy! Kinapos, rebound by Abe. Patrick Abe, derecho. Uy! Traveling violation. Nakita yun ang ating mga official. Bombares. Pull up, no good. Rebound. Ay na, out that pass. Here comes number 8. Akin na to. by jersey number 8. Lamang na ng 11 ang Vivo. 49-38. Katanyag. Oh, basket count. And 1. By jersey number 3. Wala. Siyam ang kalamangan ng Vivo. Patrick Abe setting on the play. Raymond attacking the basket. Oh, same ball. Time out. DGI. Official score is 49-40. 9-point lead para sa Vivo. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng DGI nila Bob Bares. Okay, back to the ball game with the time remaining 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Bola rito ng Vivo. Open 4-3, no good. Rebound ang DGI. Katanyag, didiskarte. Pass to number 8. Number 5, running shot, miss. Number 3, miss. Another rebound, wala pa rin. To number 5, short. Katanyag with the putback. 49-42. Malandoni block. Number 24 with the putback. 51-42. Balik ulit sa walo or sa siyam. Number 5 running shot, no good. Walang tawag hati referee. Patrick Abe. Uy, there's a foul by Albert. Patrick Abe, didiskarte behind the back. Number 7, pull up, no good. Rebound by number 3. Out that pass. Uy, naka-recover. Katanyag, 2 against 1. Katanyag, drive, miss. Still. Running shot and gets the foul. Two free throw para kay Tupin. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Tupin. Wala. Rebound by number 5. There's a foul by Tupin. Ayan, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 10 lang ang lamang ng Vivo. Ayan na, nagmamadali ang DGI. Albert setting on the screen. Albert drive, running shot, short. Rebound. Makaka-recover dito si Bombares. Bombares, didiskarte. Bombares, umatake, drive. Too strong. Rebound by Vivo. Block. Oh, steal by Bombares. Out that pass. 2 against 2. Number 3 all the way. Basket. Mabasa 8 ang kalamangan. 44-52. Number 3 binigay. Pull up, short, rebound by number 3. Number 3 nagpapadali. Number 3. Akin na to. Mabasa 6. Ang lamang. Number 7 by Halandoni. No good. Steal by DGI. Pass to Mabares. To Rhea, guess one. Katanyag. Running shot. Basket. Apat na lang ang lamang. Time out ang Vivo. 6 running by the DJI. Time out dito ang Vivo. Napako sila sa 52. With the time remaining 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Alright, back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Bola rito ng Vivo. Patrick Abe setting on the play. Pass to number 40. Madrigal. 2, 1. Oh! It's a basket by Patrick Abe. Eki touch buzzer beater. INS number 3. Oh, another steal for Vivo. Last 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Patrick Abe. Paso Halandoni. Setting on. Binigay sa loob. Back pedal. Paso Halandoni. Halandoni. Fake. Binigay. Patrick Abe. Oh, gets the contact. But gets the foul by Patrick Abe. Jersey number 3. The veterans. 3 shots para kay Patrick Abe. First shot missed. And shoutout kay parang Lawrence Pingol. Shoutout kay Mrs. Pingol na nanonood dating live. First shot, second shot, no good. Rebound ng DGI. Number 12. Pass to 4-3, no good. Rebound. Patrick Abe, running shot. Oh! Hindi nakuha. Nakakampiron. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Bola rito ng DGI. Gustong umagbol ng DGI. 6 lang yan. Bobares, pull up. Oh, gets the contact. But there's a foul by Bobares, the veterans. Time remaining 1 minute and 24 seconds. Bombares' first shot is good by Bombares. Second shot, 2 for 2. Sinigurado. Ayan na. Down by 4. Uy! There's a foul by Raymond.
Wala lang penalty. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Apat ang kalamangan. Ang ganda. Sige, pinasakay lang Tony libre. Alam Tony, pinasakay lang.
That's a DGI basketball. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Ay na, bola ng naghahabol ang DGI. Katanyag, Seringon. Bounce to Bombares. Bombares drive. Basket by Bombares. Dalawa na lang ang inahabol ng DGI. May konting awa, di napansin natin referee. Alandoni drive. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Alandoni. Steal. No DGI. Bombares with the ball. Bombares nagmamadali. Bombares natapigan. Steal. Ay na. 2 against 1. Oh, steal. Wala na steal. All the way. Basket. Para sa Vivo. Sayang. Agawan ng bola. Palitan ng bola. Time remaining. Last 20 seconds. 56, 52. Balik sa 4 ang lamangan ng DGI. Or, sorry, that's the Vivo. Yan eh.
Okay, it's now last 20 seconds.
Sino kaya magwawagi ngayong gabi between the DGI versus the Vivo. Last 20.37. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Katanyag binigay. Tumira sa 3. Uy! But there's a ball. 3 shots by Albert. A crucial free throw. First shot, short. Second shot para kay Albert. Last 16 seconds. Second shot is good. 2 for 3. Down by 2. Last 16.52 seconds. Dalawa lamang. Outlet pass. Ako po. Libre, libre. Oh! May pagkakataong makashoot ang DGI. Last 12.84 seconds. Last, it's a one stop for Vivo. Sino ang mag-winner? The buzzer. Oh, tumira sa 3. Miss. Rebound. Ay na. Oh! Grabe yun. Wala 3. Rolling shot. But there's a foul. Crucial free throw for Vivo. Ayan tayo mga DGI. Number 20. Basket. Second shot, 3 seconds. Pag naipasok to, wala na. For the win. Wala. Rebound. 3, 2, 1. Tumira sa 3! Ah! Ay, saan ba? Tingnan mo. Grabe, what an intense game from both teams. Our final score, 57-54. Congratulations para sa DGI. Correction, a nice game for DGI. Congratulations sa ating Vivo, ang winning team. Congrats on an intense game. Maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga dito sa ating team 1 team. Nababati po ni Ma'am Ivy, the IC or ECI Group, the Mancom. Ayan, shoutout ka na Ronald Chan, Alma Buentipo, Aubrey Estilier, Hani Carian, Cheryl Corato, Audrey Ang, Nes Garoy, Patricia Dolot, Yovel Sagigit, and kay Miss Hana Kalimon. Ayan, magbabalik tayo para sa ating next game between the Samsung versus the Huawei, or I'm sorry, Xiaomi rather. Alright? Magbabalik tayo para sa ating next game. Hanggang sa muli, this is your 1 PM smarter, bolder, and stronger. We innovate, we evolve. Hanggang sa muli,